Hello everyone, Guns and Rosary po. Sa video na ito, samahan nyo po kung i-overview ang Rock Island Armory TAC Ultra Series 2011 Tactical Series Caliber 40 FS. First of all, magkandak po tayo ng clearance check sa ating firearm na ito for safety. And lagi natin tatandaan ang PPE, Personal Protection Equipment, like yung earring and eye protection para sa ating gagawin na test and demo fire. Ang 2011 TAC 2 Ultra FS na ito, meron itong constructed in 4041 Ordnance Steel and Refined Hand Fitting process. Ang kagandahan nitong 2011 Tactical Series, meron itong 5 inches barrel with penetrating impact and light recoil. Ang 2011 Tactical Series TAC Ultra 2 Caliber 40, meron itong extended beaver tail, tactical rail, combat style hammer, fiber front optic sight, meron itong full length guide rod and skeletonized trigger. Ang isa pa sa kagandahan nito, napakalambot ng kanyang recoil spring kasama na ang kanyang trigger. Meron itong 5 to 6 lbs pounds. Finish ito sa durable Parker size coating. Meron din itong front and rear CNC angle grooves. Para sa akin, napakaganda nito dahil meron itong full length under Picatinny rail para sa laser, tactical light or any accessories. Sinamahan pa nito ng carry magwell. Para sa akin po, napakaganda nito for carry and personal protection and home defense dahil sa kanyang magwell, napakadali ka mag-insert ng magazine and madali ka mag-transition. Ang 2011 Tactical Series na ito na TAC Ultra 2 FS, meron itong chamber na caliber 40, meron itong magazine capacity na 8 rounds, at ayan po ang kanyang under Picatinny rail for weapon and laser light. Meron itong 8.75 inches overall length at meron itong 1.44 inches overall width. Meron din itong overall height na 5.59 inches at ang kanyang weight is 2.62 lbs. Naka-fixed and mounted dovetail cut with red fiber optic ang kanyang front sight at ang kanyang rear sight meron itong MPS1 adjustable type. Serrated na rin ang kanyang grip sa front and rear. Sinamahan pa nito ng carry magwell for carry defense at ito ay semi-automatic with black Parker size coating. So ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating video. Hopefully meron po akong na-share sa inyo about firearms and maging responsible legal gun owner po tayo. And stay tuned po kayo sa 29 APAD Arms Show sa SMX MOA. Stay safe po. God bless.